Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. This short video is gonna show you how to create bar series along an arc. First, I'm gonna draw some curves. Okay, this is the shape. Now, for the bar series, I'm gonna use this tool. Up here in the bar series menu, we have the bar series type. In the drop-down menu, you have to select variable on polyline. Okay, I set the diameter to 10 and the spacing to 15 centimeters. Now I can create the series. This little picture shows the pattern you should follow to create this kind of bar series. All you need is 5 clicks in the exact same order. So let's start. The first step is to check whether the point or the polyline option is active. Right now, down here in the comment section, we can see that the point command is active now. For our goal, we should use the polyline creation method. So let's switch to that. I will press the P button. And now we are switched to polyline. So let's select our base polyline now. Let's define the endpoints and lastly the ending curve. Here you are. We have some bars along this curve. You can also stretch this shape any way you want. And yes, sometimes the shape won't be exactly right, but with small modifications you can make it right. Let's put everything back. Let's make an outside bar. For this you will need to select the bar series, right click, bar series, and create steel. Let's put it here. Now, if the bar is messing with the form of your bar series, you can put everything back to its place by hand, just like we did after stretching. See? This is so easy. Lastly, I'm gonna generate an extract, bar schedule, a simple AutoCAD and selection. I will select this bar and create table. Here we are seeing an X in the place of the length, so we need to generate a variable bars table. Select the extract, right click, bar schedule, and create table steel bars. Choose this option. Let's put it under the extract. And now we can see each individual bar with its length. So there you have it. This is how to make variable bar series along an arc or curves. Thank you for watching.